This video will watch the best ratings of Christmas tree storage bags with over 15,500 customer reviews. Brand Zober. Material canvas. Size 7.5 feet and 9 feet. Closure type zipper. Premium Christmas tree storage bag. Fits up to 9 feet tall artificial disassembled trees, durable handles and sleek dual zipper. Holiday Xmas bag made of tear-proof. Premium Christmas tree storage bag. Fits up to 9 feet tall artificial disassembled trees, durable handles and sleek dual zipper. Holiday Xmas bag made of tear-proof. Reliable durability. Breathable Zober artificial tree storage bags for large 9 feet. A tree made from heavy-duty canvas, tear, and waterproof fabric that'll last for many seasons. Easy carry 4-stitch reinforced handles, 2 on the top and 2 on the side. Make getting your storage bag for the Christmas tree between storage and the living room hassle-free. Simple identification. Festive black and gray holiday storage bag stands out in storage. These bags help you easily locate your artificial Christmas tree storage box. An attached card slot lets you know what's inside the storage container for the Christmas tree. Easy access. Two-way, dual zipper widely opens the Christmas storage bag for uncomplicated placement and removal. No assembly is required. Unfold and insert your tree for great tree bag storage. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.